Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make coated peanuts. For this recipe you will need raw peanuts, all-purpose flour, eggs, powdered milk, sugar, salt, vanilla extract. I'll start by blanching the peanuts, and to that I'll be using half a teaspoon of salt, adding hot water, stir and leave it to stay in the water for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, take it out of the water and transfer it into a tray. And I'm gonna be leaving it to dry under the sun till it is completely dry. In a bowl, add in flour, powdered milk, salt, mix everything together until they are well combined. And put that aside. In another bowl, add in eggs, add vanilla extract, sugar, and mix it very well until the sugar is dissolved. And put that aside. The peanuts are dried, and I have the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. It's time to start coating the peanuts. I will start by adding in the wet ingredients first and shake it till all the peanuts is coated with the wet ones. And if you don't eat eggs, you can use water to dissolve the sugar, and the quantity of sugar depends on your taste, but coated peanuts doesn't need a lot of sugar. And once that is well coated, I will go ahead and add in the dry ingredients and turn it as well. I'm going to repeat this process till every single peanut is well coated. Add the wet ones and shake it. And add the dry ones as well. And shake. So you're just moving it like a circular motion. You can also use roasted peanuts for this recipe, and you can use any flavor of your choice. And I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. You all are amazing. Thank you all so much. And if you are not subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe, put on the notification bell and click on the ones that says all notification so you get notified each time I upload video. I'm going to repeat the process till every single peanut here is well coated. And when they start sticking together, just use your hands to separate them. And I'm going for the last coating. Add the dry ingredients. Look out for any of the peanuts that are together and separate them. The peanuts are well coated. Transfer the coated peanut into a strainer to take out any excess flour. And at this point, I have the oil preheating on the stove already for deep frying. Drop one peanut in the oil to test if the oil is hot, and once the oil is hot, add some of the coated peanuts. Stir and fry on medium heat. And keep stirring it from time to time so the peanuts can cook evenly. Once the coated peanuts are golden brown, take them out of the oil. And once the oil is clean, repeat the process with the rest of the coated peanuts. This coated peanuts was very crunchy and super delicious. and you can enjoy your coated peanuts any time of the day. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.